Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Confirm your browser and input devices are ready, then open Vexcode Vr. Choose blocks or Python now. This decision shapes how you structure logic. Once done, create and name a new project so autosave tracks changes. Next, pick the VR robot model and select the simulation arena that matches your task. This ensures sensors and movement behave predictably. Make sure your viewport shows the controller, toolbox, and simulator so you can begin building sequences immediately. Now construct the core program. Assemble movement commands, weights, and sensor reads in a logical order so the robot performs the intended task. If using Python, define functions to reuse movement patterns. Add loops and conditionals for repeated or reactive behavior. Once you add a block or line, run the simulation immediately to catch errors early. Observe sensor readings in real time, tweak weight durations and motor power for accurate distances, and iterate until the robot reliably completes the basic routine. Finish by cleaning up the project. Add comments, group blocks or functions, and save or export the file for sharing or classroom use. Run the complete scenario several times to confirm repeatability, and note any edge cases where timing or collisions fail. If something goes wrong, first verify sensor orientation and units, confirm motor ports match your configuration, and rerun small sections to isolate the issue, then adjust power, delays, or conditional thresholds until performance is consistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.